Hello friends, we have got a new bundle of joy for you. That is our little box of storybooks from Peppa Pig. It has bathtime, storytime, bedtime and dream time. So this is a bedtime little library books of Peppa. So let me unbox it for you. So what's the first one? Oh, that's a bath time. So before going to sleep, Peppa and George takes a good bath. Then, oh, Daddy Pig tells them story. Nice. And then the bedtime. Oh, we are sleepy. So let's go to sleep. And once in the bed, that's a dream time, having sweet little dreams. So kids, you want to listen to these stories? So like and subscribe our channel. We are going to read it for you. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig Bath Time. Wow, so much Peppa and George are enjoying in the bathtub. Let's find out what's in it. Peppa and George love jumping up and down in muddy puddles. You muddy puddles! Squelch, squelch! Especially giant ones. They love jumping in muddy puddles. He, says Peppa. Peppa, George calls Daddy Pig. It's bath time. We are a little bit muddy, says Peppa. And George always he. They enjoy jumping up and down in mud puddle. While Mama is seeing how dirty they are, let's get them into bath quickly. And so they are in their bathtub with their dippy duck. Splash, splash. Peppa and George love splashing in the bath. So they splash water here and there and do the bubble popping. He. Both are enjoying. Haha, says Daddy Pig. Time to get out. Oh, we are a little bit wet, says Peppa. So, what happens next? Oh, Mama says, so are we. So both of them were scrubbing Peppa and George, and as they were splashing the water, they made their Mama and Papa also wet. And everyone laughed. So that's a bath time of Peppa. So kids, always whenever you come from outside and are dirty, go and take a bath. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to read Peppa's Story Time. Do like and subscribe the channel if you haven't. And let's go. Peppa and George are all ready for bed. Time for a bedtime story, says Daddy Pig, and they are so happy. Yay! We are going to read a new story. I like stories about Princess Peppa, says to Daddy. Oh, she loves to be a princess. And see, the Georgie is the one pulling the princess kite. And she's dreaming. Wow. While George dreams about only one thing. Dinosaur. Ooh. He likes stories about dinosaurs. So Peppa loves stories about princess while George loves story about dinosaur. Now it's a tough time for Daddy Pig. What to do? Okay, right. Begins Daddy Pig. What is going to do? With a great big yawn, he starts a story. Once upon a time, there was a princess and a dinosaur. So both favorite characters are there. Peppa's princess, George's dinosaur. What happens next? They had a very busy day and were very tired, so they went straight to bed, says Daddy Pig. Oh, Daddy Pig has shortened the complete story and told both the kids that Princess and the dinosaur were so tired doing so much day-to-day work, they all went to sleep. The end. and both the princess and the dinosaur are asleep. So, kids, the moral of the story is when you go to sleep, go and read a good story. It will help you have a nice sound sleep. Okay, take care. Hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to read bedtime stories from Peppa Pig. And in this we are going to see the bedtime story part of Peppa and George. So, what happens? Yawn, says Peppa and George together. They are both very sleepy. They have taken the bath, they have read the story, and now they are feeling sleepy. So, what happens next? Time for bed, sleepyheads, says Mummy Pig, and both of them run towards their beds. Peppa and George hop into their bunk beds. So, kids, these are the bunk bed. One bed over the other is the bunk bed. Daddy Big tucks the little piggies in. Night night, Peppa. Night night, George. And says good night to both of them. Close your eyes, says Mummy Pig, turning off the light. And it's time for Peppa and George to go to sleep. They went into sleep quickly. What happens? Oh, Mama and Daddy Pig also then started snoring and sleeping because it's time for them to go to sleep as they are very tired during the day and getting the Peppa and George ready for bed. So they also slept. Hope you like this short story. It's the moral of the story is read the storybooks and go and have a sound sleep and go on bed on time so that you can get early also. Hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe us. Take care. Bye bye. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig Dream Time. It's a part of the bedtime stories library. So let's see what Peppa and George are dreaming. Let's go. Peppa, George, Mommy and Daddy Pig are all fast asleep. So at night all of the families are asleep, and what they are dreaming about? Peppa is dreaming about being a princess. Peppa is happy to see herself a princess on the mirror. But what George is dreaming about? Oh, George is dreaming about a dinosaur. Dinosaur. So George is dreaming about playing with his favorite dinosaur in the garden. Okay, so what Mummy Pig is dreaming about? Oh, Mama Pig is dreaming about going on a holiday. Lovely. It's been a long time. I need a break and I want to go to beach to holiday. So she is dreaming about her holiday. So now what Daddy Pig is dreaming about? And Daddy Pig is actually dreaming about taking a nap. So Daddy Pig loves taking a nap. So that's it. That's a dream time. So kids, we all dream of what we love to do. And to let us know what all good dreams you have. Hope you like this storybook. Take care, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.